Survey fields will help you add various surveys to your forms or the websites. It can be helpful for increasing the interaction of the users. You can also know what your website users would want in your forms and website through these fields. Rating field can be used to enable your users to provide the ratings for your survey. It is shown with star ratings up to the 5 stars. With the help of it, you can know how satisfied your website users are with their website or the survey. Now for the field options of the field, you can change the label, meta key and also the description. Next, you can add number of icons, so the maximum number of icons that you can display is up to 100. Now under the advanced option, you can also change the rating icon. So this option allows you to choose the rating icon other than the star. There are 5 options to choose from. Next, you can also change the icon color according to your liking. Further, you can add CSS classes and you can also enable survey for the field under survey and quiz options. So in addition, the options for enabling conditional logic is also available. And lastly, you can make other changes as per your requirement.